I'm on to the last part of my screed. All that is falling nicely. When I'm doing a smaller bathroom floor, I usually do it flat and level, but because this is a bigger area, I'm able to get away with a bit of fall, which it's always nice to have fall in a bathroom, but you can't always with a large format tile. It gets a bit tricky, especially when the bathroom floor is smaller. This is bigger, so it's easier to do. With the size of the bathroom, I calculated that I needed 30 bags of mud. I've used 28. So I'm pretty rapt about that too. Nice. That's nice. That's really neat. I'm happy with that. Now he wants a smart waste in here. I said to him, yeah, there's probably enough room. Well, I hope so. If there's not, well, we'll try anyway. We might be lucky. I've got him getting a smaller dropper, so it'll get the smart waste down lower. I've got 10 or 11 mil of tile. We might be lucky. Pop that there. Right, so I do this little bit and then it's off home. I can't do any more until tomorrow. So it's been a good morning's work. Another thing to DIYers, when you've got slope, you always be careful here, because when you go around with your wooden float like that, you're going pretty flat, but it's actually going downhill. So with your fall, you can have a bit of a gap there, so you always be careful of that. You actually drag your straight edge not from there, but from about here where my finger is, if you understand what I'm trying to say. I hope so. Now that's all the mud I've got left over from screeding this whole floor, so it was worked out pretty well. See ya. Bye.